This is my next little project here, is to finally replace that toilet. I got the new toilet bowl there and the tank. I got to replace the inside parts of that tank. They don't work, the flush valve and all that. This floor, I actually finished this floor probably 5 years ago. So now that I got this rental done and got a lot of things done in the house, this is one of the things I'm going to get going on and finish out this bathroom. So getting this toilet in here was quite a saga. This toilet came from the rental property I was working on to raise money. We're going to sell to fix the money to fix up our house. So at that property, this same exact toilet, it's a dual flush toilet. Here's a button for low flush, high flush. And when you push this button, the rental property, it would not fully empty the toilet bowl. So I fussed around with it for a couple weeks. Finally I said, screw it, I'll just buy a new toilet, put on a new tank, leave the old toilet bowl at the rental property, and that worked, putting on a brand new tank. So I bought a brand new toilet bowl for the rental property. Brought this toilet bowl over here, brand new. That's the old toilet bowl from the rental property. So I thought, well, I'll put in new components, the new flush valve and a fill valve. So I replaced those two parts in that tank over there. Still had the same sentiment. Didn't do a full flush on the low flush button. So I bought another new toilet. The bowl's out in the truck. Here's the new tank. It was working yesterday. Let's see if it works now. If it works now, I'm going to keep it. If it doesn't, I'm going to take it back and get a different model toilet. So that's what we got going on here. Nope. Did not empty the bowl. So that other toilet, I could not get that, it still kept not doing a full flush on the low volume flush. So I had to take the dual flush toilet back, get my money back, and I went with, it's still American standard, I went with a single flush, which is what the world seems to be going to, so. Looks like a champ. Alright. So 5 years after I demoed this bathroom and put it in the kitchen floor, 5 years after that date, we've got a toilet in here, making progress.